Namaste. Hello friends. Myself Dr. Darshan Uswal and I am practicing classical homeopathy at my three centers, Pune, Kamshed and Karjat. In homeopathy, the foremost and the very most important topic that we are learning and we are executing in our clinics is case taking. This is an art. Even before you repertorize, even before you analyze a case, or even before you try to understand, think about the potency, think about the prescription, what is foremost important is case data. And you get this case data from the art of case taking. If your skills are par, then you have a case data with you. If you encounter problems, I see many students, they are encountering many problems in just a basic questioning. How to question. They're confused how to get through that first question. When patient comes, what to ask them. Some people are even not knowing this. How to ask question in pediatrics, how to get data. And every new student who is learning homeopathy is excited to question more and more. But what about the art of listening? What about the art of observing? What about the art of patience? When to ask which question, how to ask. If you get an obstacle, how to get it turned around and ask in another form. How to probe into feelings, how to go deep into the experiences, how to elicit location, sensation, modality, concomitant, how to get the physical symptoms. I had a case, let's just give you an example of a case. There was a person who came that he has a sneezing, and he said that it happens in morning. So you can see, and we can easily take it sneezing, aggravated morning. But I asked him, that tell me about this sneezing in the morning. He said, doctor, it happens when I go and come out of my bathroom. When I take a shower. So you can even take it as bathing aggravates. But then I asked him, what does happen when you bathe? He said, doctor, what happens that when I bath, there is wet. The flooring is wet. And we have a flooring of marble. So when I come outside, I am wet. And when I come outside and I step onto that marble stone, which is very cold, and that time approx, I get sneezing. So you can see the change that we can consider it first as morning aggravation, and now it is something else. So this is how you probe deep into. I had an example of a case where a person said, doctor, I get dreams of being soiled. There is a lot of mud and I'm soiled there. And I said, tell me about that dream. So he said, doctor, I feel I'm just stuck up there. I said, describe this stuck up. He said, it's as if someone is coming in my flow. I'm not going in my flow. I'm obstructed. I'm hindered. So you can see, you can consider dreams soiled or dreams mud. You can take it as anything. There was a patient who said, I had dreams of toilet. And you can take it in repertory as dreams of toilet. But when you inquire, he said, doctor, I felt very guilty. I felt very guilty. So see how it changes. So this is what happens when you have skills of case taking. So we are starting with a case taking series from 26th January 2022. This is a third course. Before this, we completed our two courses with over 250 plus students from 16 different countries. And this is the third course we are launching. So I recommend every student, every intern, every practitioner, and every practitioner who has lost somewhere touch with homeopathy and who wants to regain that, confidence, want to learn homeopathy. We are going to relate everything to aphorisms. Right from the aphorisms, the questioning, step by step, all my cases, I am going to be presenting in all the 10 sessions. We are going to learn how to probe deep into experiences, feelings, physical symptoms. I will be exposing you even to the new techniques, that is projection, denial, imaginative techniques, drawing, how you can use drawing as art, as a medium of case taking. Very different techniques, all with different case examples. And it will be all done on weekends, Sundays, 3 hours each Sunday. and you can contact me anytime when you want to register. My contact number is 8329393677, and my email ID is darshanoswal39@gmail.com. DARSHANOSWAL 39@gmail.com. I recommend you all to go for this course. I assure you, this is one of the best learning that is going to happen in your homeopathic journey. I assure you that you will be very, very happy to learn all these things. It's going to be a very, very intensive learning, very, very intensive learning. So do join and meet you there. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.